Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For today I've created this sexy date night makeup look. If you'd like to see the tutorial on how to get this look, keep on watching. So to start off this look, we're taking the Lorac Mega Pro 4 palette and I'm using the color Butterscotch and placing this color all over my eyelid. And then going in with the color Spice, I'm using this color as my transition shade and also on my crease. So I'm using this on my crease and buffing it out really well, and you just want to blend and blend until you get the desired color. Then going in with Heavenly Naturals, I'm taking this color and I'm putting it on a flat shadow brush and I'm just patting this all over my eyelid. And then I applied some tape so that I can get a nice sharp line, and I'm going in with Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. And then right underneath that, I'm applying some of the Spice color underneath my lower lash line. I'm then applying the Sigma Beauty Black Liner onto my waterline. Using the chroma palette, I used the color Lush and I applied this onto my inner tear duct and to highlight my brow bone as well. I then applied some Ardell Demi lashes. I used the color Feisty by Tarte and I love this blush, it's one of my favorites, and I just smiled so I can get the shape that I would like and apply this onto my cheeks. Then going in with the Becca highlights, this is in the color Champagne Dream. It's beautiful because it has nice rose gold colors in it as well as some gold accents, and I just applied this to highlight my face. And then I finished off the look by Givenchy Fuschia. I love this lipstick. It goes on so smoothly and it just glides onto your lips, so it's a great lipstick to use. This look is great for date night, for Valentine's Day, for any night that you kind of want to add a little extra glamour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please be sure to subscribe down below, give me a big thumbs up. Also comment and let me know which looks you'd like to see next. That way I can create them for you all. And until next time, remember to always create a life